here goes roofing this baby. I am so excited. So excited. Because I feel like once a roof is on, it really turns into a home. So come along for this very exciting episode of us doing the walls and roof.
I'm Mick and this is Dim, and we're two crazies on this wild journey of life. We study, love and explore this earth full time, and now we've bought a van. Join us while we flip it on its head and turn it into a home every Sunday.
Good morning. Going for a run with Benny, and Dimmy's heading out to the van, and today we're gonna try finish the roof and the wall paneling. It will most likely be the last thing that we get to do here on the Gold Coast. So the rest is going to happen in Melbourne with Dimmy's family before we head off on our expedition to Tasmania. I'm starting to get pretty sad because every run I go on is kind of like one of my last with Benny. Ready to go? Dimmy's coming too now. Time. Yeah, it's fan time. We're gonna put the roof on. It's roof time. Do a dance. Come on, Benny. Do a dance. No, pancake. It's roof day. It's roof day. We have a guide string just to make sure that this piece of wood is going to go in the center of the van, because then we want it to be able to be even all the way across and end up kind of at the same point on either side. First measurement. So small interval, we've just had a freak storm. We've had to cover up all our wood. Another day, another coffee. So yesterday was just a shambles, and we ended up starting it and realizing that we needed to do extra framing, and then my mum had her graduation celebration and I had a friend miss thing, and we got nothing done.
What can you do?
What can you do?
It's Christmas time.
You just
gotta celebrate and live, laugh, love.
All right. Live, laugh, love. Anyway, so today's the day. We are going to get this roof finished because we've had these pieces of wood laying here, and it might storm again tonight, and yesterday it was hectic to try to keep them dry, so we've kind of just got to get them off the ground, and why not get them onto the roof and walls. So there you go.
That's what we're doing.
Benny's being a sook again. I think he might just know that maybe we're leaving soon, so I don't want to think about it too much. So anyway, we are doing it today. Welcome to day of finishing walls and roof. Alright, moment of truth. Alright, we're getting juicy with the liquid nails. I'll put heaps up there. We've drawn lines of the exact center, and then first
panel is in, and then it's all quick from there. We're just gonna get it all done. Hopefully.
We've marked out where our light's going to go, and all we're going to do now is just pre-drill, and we're going to go with the hole saw and hole saw out a 60mm hole. That's specified by the type of lights that I bought. Well, make sure you're on the right side of the line.
Make sure your thumb is out of the way when you're cutting it.
Oh,
That would be a
they're really good at telling you what to do.
That would be
Aren't they?
amazing,
They're
right?
really good at telling you what to do.
Make sure it's flat against the back wall again.
Alright.
Make sure you start it before you actually
You're
touch
taking the
the
back
timber.
seat today.
Make sure you actually start the circuit saw before you touch the timber. You know that, right?
Beautiful, man.
And it's raining again. We cannot get a break. This rain.
We're bunkering down. We've done 3 panels. I'm stuffing the insulation behind the panels now, so we'll probably do that every couple of panels.
We're sticking every tongue and groove board on one at a time using liquid nails and screwing it into the timber battens. Pre-drilling, and then we're using this little bevel tool,
Little gizmo.
gizmo here,
Countersink.
to countersink each hole so it doesn't split the timber. Rip along this, this along.
I'm gonna cut it.
It's gonna rip it.
Rip it good.
Got our whole support crew here today. We'll go round now. Mom and Lucky and Fee. Cheers. It's Christmas Eve. What do you think we should call our van?
Oh, I haven't thought about that much. We'll call him Eddie.
Eddie. Well, I thought it was going to be Sunny Boy. Sunny Boy.
That was something that you were thinking
There
about.
were too many vans called Sunny.
Oh, okay.
What would you call the van?
Joy.
Joy. That's actually really. What do you say? Bubbles. Oh, is that because you're holding bubbles? I'm inspired. So our beautiful friend came over the other day and gave us a sticker with the actual name of our van, and we realized that we haven't really told anyone yet. And it was a very quick decision. We kind of went, oh, that's a really dorky name for a van. We didn't really think about it too much. So the name of our van is Alfred, and this is its nickname, Alfie. And this is going to be the first sticker on the van, I guess, its name. So Alfie, and thank you, Ian, for our sticker. Thank you. Alfred and Eddie, or Nettie.
Nettie and Eddie.
Nettie and Eddie,
It's a
okay.
bit close, isn't it?
We'll have
Get
to have
mixed up
two
a bit,
brothers.
wouldn't it? What's it all about, Alfie?
Beautiful. Maybe you can just be our theme song now.
What about this side over here?
Nice illumination.
Perfect line.
Got a spectator,
Who's the second?
and we're ready.
15 left.
Oh, there you go.
So we've got 2 more planks over here. These are our sneaky Merry Christmas margaritas.
Margarita.
So Merry Christmas Eve.
It's the
We-
2022 onwards.
Yeah,
Peace and happiness.
yeah. It's gonna be up from here. It's always up. Yee-hoo.
Yeah.
And finishing this roof now. So we have one complete panel left, and then we'll have to
Half.
half and that'll finish it off. We'll stuff some more insulation in, and I think we're gonna get the whole fam to do the last little bit. We'll get everyone's names on there.
That'd be awesome.
Jimmy's raced back out, and he's really wanting to get the lights on. Oh, this art heat gun is amazing. They're on. Hold on. Oh, so cool. Oh, it's proud parent moments. It's like this is our home and it's like it's like a little child and the lights are working. They're really beautiful.
Good colour, huh?
Good job. Here we go. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Benny's down here too.
Say Merry Christmas, Ben. Merry Christmas. Through the
See you
liquid
later.
nails. What better to do on Christmas Day than cut some wood? And we're gonna finish the roof this morning before all of our family get here for our Christmas lunch. And truly, we're not kidding when we say that it's probably nothing we'd rather do. We are so excited to get this roof finished. There's only one little section that is left and we've got to stuff some more insulation in and then we're done with the roof part. So we're just finishing this last piece of wood and then it's going to go up and we might get the whole family to help us to screw the last little bits in. So Merry Christmas from Mick and Dim and Benny and the horses and Mesprit and everyone here.
Merry Christmas!
I hope you have a beautiful day full of joy and family and togetherness, and let's hope that 2022 is a little less bumpy, we'll say. It's gonna be a good year for all, and that's all I can wish for anyone. So we send all of our love. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I don't know what that's from.
Well, try to slot it in first. Not right?
It's not wide enough here. It's not wide enough.
Last little bit.
Pretty cute Santa Claus.
But it's
And we got a finished roof. Hooray, hooray,
I'm
hooray.
gonna have left screwed, right grooves.
Bye.